Hello, today we will do Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro review. Xiaomi usually announces Redmi phones by the bucket, so we would totally understand if you've lost track which one is which. There are 4 Redmi Note 12 phones for the global markets, 2 standard and 2 Pro models. We've already reviewed the most premium of the quartet, the Pro Plus with a 200MP camera and 120 watts charging. So today it is time to meet the regular Redmi Note 12 Pro. The highlights of the mainstream Pro model include a Dolby Vision OLED, fast performance, a 50MP OIS primary camera, and fast 67 watts charging. This Redmi Note 12 Pro should be the cheapest smartphone to offer the complete Dolby package, Vision and Atmos. Indeed, the Redmi Note 12 Pro employs a 6.67-inch Dolby Vision OLED with 1B colors and 120Hz refresh rate. It sits on top of the Dimensity 1085G chipset, which should provide enough oomph for smooth gaming on a budget. And, as we've mentioned, the phone also features Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. There are 3 cameras on the back of the Redmi Note 12 Pro, a 50MP OIS primary, an 8MP ultra-wide shooter, and a 2MP macro cam. And that's the first key difference from the Pro Plus model, which boasts a 200MP main camera instead. The second difference is the charging speed. The standard Redmi Note 12 Pro supports 67 watts fast charging, which is plenty enough, though it's slower compared to the jaw-dropping 120 watts power of the Pro Plus. The third and last difference is the design. Our Note 12 Pro is a flat dual-glass device, while the Pro Plus has a curved glass back. One last thing, if you are coming from the previous Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, you will surely appreciate the improved display, 1B colors versus 16 million, performance, Dimensity 1080 versus Snapdragon 695, and main camera, OIS versus no stabilization, 4K versus 1080p capturing. 2. Let's take a closer look at the Redmi Note 12 Pro specs sheet now. The most obvious omission of the Note 12 Pro is the microSD expansion slot. While the base Note 12 models still have it, the microSD has been retired on the Pro versions. Other than the storage expansion, there are no other surprises. So, without further ado, here is the Redmi Note 12 Pro unboxed. Unboxing the Redmi Note 12 Pro. The Redmi Note 12 Pro ships inside the usual paper box, which contains the phone itself, a 67 watts power adapter, and a USB A to C cable. Quite expectedly, at least with the Xiaomi, you also get a transparent soft case and a thin protective film pre-applied on the Redmi's display. The latter is a huge smudge magnet, so we'd understand if you decide not to use it.